So we've got here a 1983 YZ125 just picked it up the other day. It's a matching frame and engine numbers bike, so it's good. I'll just do a bit of a walk around and see what we've got. So the kickstart for starters, sounds like the ball bearing's nice and tight. Still got a bit of the rubber left, so it hasn't been used too much because I haven't seen too much rubber left on them anymore. It's missing a piece going across here for the sprocket protector. The exhaust looks pretty good all the way around to the front, which gets the most damage, and all the seams are still there. A bit of paint, so that's got some red radiator guards which aren't original. Should be black. The side guard's original. I'll just get a bit of a clean up. Still got a nice muffler on it. The muffler's still good condition. It's got all the rubbers down around the side, down the back. The gold rims aren't too bad a condition. It's got a bit of surface corrosion. The swing arm come up nice and clean with a bit of polish, and the side guard again is still the original one. Got a bit of a crack there, might reinforce it so it doesn't get any worse. Seat cover still original, and it's nice foam. Tank's pretty strong, no cracks. Could just do with a bit of a sand up and clean. The canister hasn't had much work, it's just got a bit of scuffing mark here, and yeah, just worn out a little bit from cleaning. Nice boot, and the boot going into the engine's in good condition too. Carby looks clean, could probably do with a clean out. Suspension is a bit soft, it feels like it's got no oil in it. It's leaked out, which means the gas would have gone. The tyres are all cracked, but the front rims are nice and shiny. I've just given it a clean. I had a look under the fork covers before, and they're nice and clean underneath. It's a good idea putting them on. So the front guard's aftermarket, needs to be straightened. Number plate's in not too bad a condition. Still got the original lever on this side. Accelerator works alright. I'll just go around, turn the fuel on. So all the brakes, they all work. Clutch moves freely. Just turn the fuel on. So it's weird how the 125 has the chain on the right. Actually, I think they all do, so I'll just give it a start up. It doesn't idle too bad, it sounds pretty quiet actually. Engine's pretty quiet, got a normal 2-stroke power to it. So the seal off. looks pretty clean anyway. Got aftermarket handlebars. Turn it off. So yeah, that's 1983 YZ125. Even the frame underneath, I don't know if you can see it, hasn't been dented or anything, so it looks pretty good. The peg's still got knots of meat on it, the springs work nicely, still got the original radiator rubbers. Thanks for watching. Hopefully have some more updates in the future as I go through and give it a clean up and tidy up. Thanks for watching again, and enjoy my other videos also. Thanks.